Next is voltage and current division. According to KVL, KVL is applied to series circuits only. According to KCL, KCL is applied to parallel circuits. When the voltage across any element is required to calculate in a simple series circuit, it is easy to apply voltage division circuit as a short circuit for calculation of voltage across any element. In this, we will use the voltages of the source and voltages of different elements. Let us suppose I have taken a simple circuit. For this, a voltage V is applied. R1 is the resistor, R2 is the resistor. V1 is voltage across R1, V2 is voltage across R2. We know according to Ohm's law, voltage across resistor R1 can be written as V1 equals to I into R1. Voltage across resistor R2 can be written as V2 equals to I into R2. This is a series circuit, so the current through the series circuit is same. That is, current flowing through circuit is I only. Through resistor R1, through resistor R2. Both are same. According to KVL, the voltages across any element will be equals to total voltage, or algebraic sum of the voltages across any element equals to 0. So we can write V equals to V1 plus V2, which is equals to IR1 plus IR2 equals to V. From this we can write I into R1 plus R2 equals to V, where I equals to, we can write V by R1 plus R2 also. If we have to calculate the voltage across resistor R2, then V2 equals to I into R2, where I can be written as V by R1 plus R2 into R2. So voltage across resistor R2 can be calculated as total voltage V into same resistance R2 by sum of the resistances R1 plus R2. This is the formula to calculate voltage across any element using voltage division. Suppose if we have to calculate voltage across resistor R1, then V1 equals to I into R1, where I can be written as V by R1 plus R2 into R1 equals to V1. So V1 equals to V into R1 by R1 plus R2. This is the formula for voltage across element 1. This is the formula for voltage across element 2 using voltage division. And current division. Current division is applied in parallel circuits. Where the current through any element is required to calculate, we will apply this shortcut process, current division process. Here the total current or the current through any element can be calculated. Suppose I have to calculate I2, which is equals to V by R2, where voltage across all the elements are same in parallel circuits. But V equals to I into R equivalent, total R equivalent. But R equivalent can be calculated as R equivalent equals to these two resistors are in parallel connection. So when parallel connection connected resistors are there in the circuit, then we have to utilize 1 by R equivalent equals to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2, parallel connection of the resistors. So R1 R2 equals to, that is R1 R2 R1 plus R2 numerator, which is equals to 1 by R equivalent. R equivalent can be written as R1 R2 by R1 plus R2. This R equivalent is substituted in this equation, that is V equals to I into R1 R2 by R1 plus R2. and again we will substitute this V value in this equation. So we get I2 value equals to I into R1 R2 by R1 plus R2 V cost I into R2. Sorry, V equals to this value, and already we have into R2 is there. R2 gets cancelled, and I2 can be written as I into R1 by R1 plus R2. This is current through element R2. Similarly, current through element R1, I1 equals to V by R1, where V can be written as this value, I into R1 R2 by R1 plus R2. This is by R1 already there. R1 gets cancelled, and I1 equals to I into R2 by R1 plus R2. This is the equation for current through element 1. So these are currents when parallel circuit elements are given. To calculate current through any element using current division process is this. These are the shortcut equations.